We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to clear paper jam, and I'm working with an HP M-521DN. So this one, there's going to be a couple different places. The first place you want to check when you have a jam with this machine is under the toner. So go ahead and open that front hatch, pull that bad boy out. So if it's right here, you'll see it right here. It's a little tricky, but you want to pull it up and out. You never want to yank really hard or go really fast anytime you're clearing a jam. Doesn't matter what machine it is. If you do those things, you could possibly rip off some paper inside the printer or damage some sensors or parts inside the printer. All of that will result in more jams. So it's safe to say, just go slow and gentle. Next place to try is going to be in the back. So you'll just want to open the back hatch. This one's pretty simple. Anytime you're touching anything back here, just make sure to be careful because it could be hot. Just pull it up and out. And then last but not least, you will want to check, if you see it here, you pretty much know it's there. Just be gentle when you're pulling it out. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.